Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today one of our students has asked us this doubt. This is a trigonometry come sequence and series question. Okay, so the question goes like this: 1 upon sine 1 degree into sine 2 degree, 1 upon sine 2 degree into sine 3 degree, and so on up to 1 upon sine 89 degree into sine 90 degree. Now this is a very peculiar type of question in which just check out the difference in the degrees of the denominator. So this is 1 degree and 2 degree. So that is nothing but what? It is 1 degree. So I would suggest you do this 1 degree. So you multiply and divide every term by sine 1 degree. Now I am only doing this for first term right now. Okay, only the first term. What did I do? I multiplied and divided by the first term by sine 1 degree. Then what have I done? The sine 1 degree can be written as sine 2 degree minus 1 degree upon sine 1 degree into sine 2 degree. Okay, so 1 upon sine 1 degree and then sine 2 degree cos 1 degree minus cos 2 degree sine 1 degree upon sine 1 degree into sine 2 degree. Now this can be simply split and then it will turn into what? So observe this blue highlighted part. This will split and it will give us what? Sine 2 degree will cancel and we will get cot 1 degree. And then the other part will give us what? Sine 1 degree will cancel and it will give us cot 2 degree. Very well. So the first term is solved. I will show you one more term so as to make you understand this in a better way. So let us do that as well. So we have over here 1 upon sine 2 degree and sine 3 degree. So what we will do? We will multiply and divide by sine 1 degree. Everywhere we are doing the same thing. Upon sine 2 degree into sine 3 degree. So this is nothing but 1 upon sine 1 degree and then this sine 1 degree can be written as sine 3 degree minus 2 degree. So sine 2 degree and sine 3 degree. So just apply compound angle formula. So this will be sine 3 degree cos 2 degree minus cos 3 degree and sine 2 degree. Very simple. So this will be sine 2 degree and sine 3 degree. Now let us see after splitting what do we get. So sine 3 degree will get cancelled and we will get cot 2 degree minus cot 3 degree. I hope you can get all the other terms now and you understood the logic that there will be 1 upon sine 1 degree outside and cot of smaller angle minus cot of bigger angle. Here also cot of smaller angle minus cot of bigger angle. So something like this if we do for all terms, they will look like this. 1 upon sine 1 degree cot of 1 degree minus cot of 2 degree plus the second term 1 upon sine 1 degree cot of 2 degree minus cot of 3 degree and so on and so on so on so on. 1 upon sine 1 degree and cot of 89 degree minus cot of 90 degree. This is how it goes. So 1 upon sine 1 degree is taken as common. What remains? Let us see. Cot 1 degree minus cot 2 degree plus cot 2 degree minus cot 3 degree and so on. It will go on. Cot 89 degree and minus cot 90 degree. Now let us observe the terms which are getting cancelled. So as you can see there are total 90 terms. So cot 2 degree will get cancelled. Cot 3 degree and again here there will be cot 3 degree, it will get cancelled and everything will go on cancelling like that. Then cot 89 degree will also be cancelled. So basically middle 88 terms are getting cancelled. But to cancel cot 89 there is nothing and to cancel cot 1 there is nothing. Okay, so this question now turns into 1 upon sine 1 degree into cot 1 degree minus cot 89 degree. This is how the question has turned. Okay, Now what else can be, oh sorry, cot 90 degree, it was very sorry, this will be cot 90 degree. Okay, now we don't know what is cot 1 degree. Do we know what is cot 90 degree? Yes, we know cot 90 degree is 0. So we can write down cot 1 degree minus 0, but we don't know cot 1 degree. So what we will do is write down cot 1 degree as cos 1 degree upon sine 1 degree. Okay, so this turns out to be cot 1 degree upon, okay, nothing is getting cancelled, so we can write this down as what? We can write this down as cos 1 degree and sine square 1 degree. So this is the correct answer for this question, as nothing further can be done with this. Thank you for watching the video, guys.